Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus DX6000. Now, unlike similar models of Epson printer, this machine doesn't realise you want to change ink cartridges by simply opening the top of the printer. So we have to go through a process on the machine screen itself. So, first of all, we need to get into the maintenance and setup section of the printer, which we do by pressing this button here, represented with a screwdriver and a spanner. So we press that to go in. And on screen, you can cycle through all the different maintenance processes available. So we're going to use the left and right arrows to move along, past check ink nozzles, past clean print head, past copy quality, date stamp, to change cartridges. Now, we press the start button indicated at the top, and we just follow the instructions on screen, which is telling us to press that and open the lid of the printer. And after a few seconds, the cradle has stopped over here on the right hand side, where it's recessed, allowing us to get in and change the cartridges. So you press down on this grey bit here, lift back the lid, and you can hopefully see the cartridges are now easily accessible. So to remove whichever cartridge you like, just press down at the top of the cartridge. Even compacts and originals all have the same kind of clip at the top generally. You can get the cartridge out, get your replacement cartridge. I'm going to lean him towards the front first of all to get past where you need to go. You just press down until it clicks into place like that. Now from here, close this back up, lower down the lid of the printer, and as you'll see, your printer is cycling through the estimated ink levels, giving you like rough visual instructions. But all you need to do now is press that start button again, and now just leave your printer to check over the cartridges, make sure it's happy, which will take just a few seconds. And eventually you'll be returned to this page, as long as it's happy with the cartridges, and you can carry on printing. So, just press the setup again to leave that menu, back on the main screen of the printer, and away you go. Now I hope you found this useful. If by chance you're changing ink cartridges due to a print quality issue, you may want to check out our cleaning cycle videos and test page video, which we also have on our channel, and hopefully that'll help with your troubleshooting further. But I hope that's not the case, and you found what you're looking for here, in which case please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.